Hey, what's up? We have already made unboxing of Elephone A5 and you can watch this video by the link in description. This time we want to talk about performance of this phone. It will be very interesting test because Elephone A5 has a new Helio P60 chipset. So without further ado, let's start performance test, but first hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. As I already said, Elephone A5 is powered by new Helio P60 chipset. It provides similar performance to Snapdragon 660. Also, there is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory with microSD support. I already showed Antutu result in unboxing video. Elephone A5 scores about 134,000 points. This is very good result for $200 smartphone. As for Geekbench 4, this test doesn't work. I don't know what's the problem. I have tried to restart mobile device, reinstall the app, and even make factory reset, but Geekbench 4 doesn't run. The last benchmark is called 3D Mark. Elephone A5 has 1633 overall score in slingshot test. Also, I have tested Wi-Fi, GPS, and memory speed. This smartphone has 288 megabit per second reading speed and 212 megabit per second writing speed. I have 50 megabit internet connection and Wi-Fi speed on Elephone A5 is almost perfect. GPS also works very well, the accuracy is about 2 meters. Now let's play games. I will not talk about every game because all of them run very well. Just want to say that PUBG Mobile supports HD graphics, while Asphalt 9 and Shadowgun Legends run on ultra-high graphics. It was a quick performance test of Elephone A5. It's a pity that we couldn't run Geekbench 4, however the other benchmarks show very good results. Also, I didn't notice any problems with Wi-Fi and GPS. As for the games, Elephone A5 is definitely good for gaming. You can play any games on this phone. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.